Good morning. Good morning, my dear. Good morning. Good morning, my dear. Did you sleep well? Yes, I did. Did you sleep well? Yes, I did. I had a nice dream. That's lovely. Are you ready for school? Yes, I'm ready for school. Are you ready for school? Yes, I'm ready for school. I am packing my bag. Very good. I am packing my bag. Very good. Did you finish your homework? Yes, I completed it last night. Did you finish your homework? Yes, I completed it last night. I am proud of you. How can I improve my English? You can read storybooks and speak English every day. How can I improve my English? You can read storybooks and speak English every day. What is he doing? What is he doing? He is sleeping now. He is sleeping now. Where are you going? Where are you going? I am going to market. I am going to market. What is this? What is this? This is a book. This is a book. Can you give me 50 rupees? Can you give me 50 rupees? Yes, here you are. Yes, here you are. Listen to me. Listen to me. Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me. What are you cooking? What are you cooking? I am cooking dinner. I am cooking dinner. What is she doing? What is she doing? She is doing homework. She is doing homework. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Sahil. My name is Sahil. What do you do? What do you do? I am a businessman. I am a businessman. Where are you right now? Where are you right now? I am at home. I am at home. Did you go to market? Did you go to market? No, I did not go to market. No, I did not go to market.